Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove school extensions from Chrome. First, open your Chrome browser and locate the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Click on it, then select More Tools, and finally, Extensions. This will take you to a page where all your installed extensions are listed. Take a moment to review them and identify any that are associated with your school or institution. Once you've identified an extension you wish to remove, you have two main options. You can simply toggle off the blue switch next to it to disable it temporarily, which stops it from running. For a permanent solution, click the Remove button. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your choice. Click Remove again, and the extension will be gone from your browser. Sometimes, you might encounter extensions that don't have a Remove button or a toggle switch. These are often managed by your organization, meaning your school's IT department has installed them through a policy. In such cases, you won't be able to remove them yourself. Your best course of action is to reach out to your school's IT support or administrator for help. They can often adjust these policies for you. If you're still having trouble, or if you want a completely fresh start, consider creating a new Chrome user profile. This separates your personal browsing from any school-related accounts. Alternatively, you can reset Chrome settings to their original defaults. Go to Settings, then Reset Settings, and confirm. Remember, this will disable all extensions and clear temporary data, but it won't delete your bookmarks or passwords.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.